Hello, I'm going to talk now, discuss Gbpcad, Gbpcad. There is no opportunity at the moment to watch it in the future. And I'll tell you why. The reason it caught my interest is that here on the monthly time frame I am now, as you can see, this support area here. And we want to look for rebounds of this support area. And on the weekly chart, we see some sort of a rebounds here and here on the daily. And for our now, I'll just remove this rectangle for now. A second. Okay, now here on the 4-hour chart, there isn't really, like, you can argue that this is, you need to break above here, let's say, in order to target more highs. And you see here trend line and is being respected at this moment here, and this could act as a breakout. We do not know yet. We're still going to wait, and let's say, for example, if price breaks above this trend line here and then goes up here somewhere, then we can resume some bullishness. Let's go and examine the Renko chart. And the Renko chart for GBP, I prefer the minimum entry Renko box size would be 20 pips. That's my preference. I don't like to do 10 pips with British pairs. Anyway, we'll look at, I just want to get the equivalent to the monthly chart we saw on the time charts. And it's here we have the same level here. So no need to, I'll just take it out. And now we are looking at the bounce of this support level. And here on the 40 pip, similar to the 4-hour chart, we can have this rectangle here, somewhere here. And then we look at the 20 pips, bit choppy 20 pips. So that's why I cannot go really lower than 20 pips with British pairs. I mean, at least, like, use your sense. Like, if you find a cleaner chart on 10 pips or so, then go ahead with it. But if the 20 pip is already a bit choppy, there is no point of going lower in Renko box size. Well, you can actually change the setting. Instead of 20, 40, 80, you can just say, let's say 30 pip if you want. You look at it. Here it is. It looks cleaner now, right? And maybe you want to go, let's see, the 15 pip. Very choppy, very choppy. So on the fifth, even here, maybe you can, like, this is the trend line you're waiting for to break, and here is the uptrend. Yeah, you can, but I would go to the 20 pip, and same thing can be observed. We have our trend line going up. We have the break, or the attempt to break above this resistance, and then going back a little bit below this resistance level. And we have this upward trend line, and then we can wait for price just to break here somewhere to go up like this here, let's say, go up this way. And then we can enter somewhere here. And of course, the stop loss could be below this level here. This could be your stop loss here, your entry somewhere here, and then target higher price. Okay, yeah, there isn't much more to say. We are still bouncing from this level here. We do not know if it will 100% definitely will be bullish and go all the way up to this level. For example, that's not what we are saying. What I'm saying here is that we are testing this monthly support. Remember, this was a monthly support, and this is here 320 Renko box size, which is really very big. So I do not expect the price to just go down without bouncing a bit here, go up a little bit here. And that's what we are trying to attempt on 160 pip, for example. Even on the 160 pip, as you see, there is already a strong break here, and 160 pip is a big Renko box size itself, and you see a very long wick here. rejection to the price level here, or to the support that it came, that it bounced from. Okay, and here is the 80 pip, and here is the 40 pip. The 40 pip, I would say 40 pip, leave it as an intermediate Renko box size, similar to intermediate time frame. You know, maybe it's not your entry box size, but at least it give you a nicer look for how price is developing. If there is an uptrend, or you think our price will go down again and then go up again, or whatever it will do, just we will watch it. I don't have a bias yet. I'm not going to say, for example, if price goes all the way up to here, then I will buy. You know, I still want to wait a little bit. Maybe price will test this level, hover here a little bit, and then go up. We will see. It depends on how price, how the chart looks like, how price action will develop in the coming few days. So that's the 20 pip here, ascending trend line, breaking off resistance, retesting this trend line here, very near to the resistance line. It's not really violated. It's just a zone here. It's not violated. It is not here, like price is not here, for example, to say that it was a fake breakout and then price went back down. We are still around the we are testing this level currently, which is acting as support now. So it's hovering around it now, and we will see how it reacts. Yeah, so that's all for the Gbpcad. Just keep an eye on it and see how price develops in the coming few days. Thank you for now. Bye bye.